Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about making money online. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to earn money without leaving your home. In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to make more money online. So let's get started. So freelancing, I've done freelancing for years. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. If you have such a skill as writing, graphic design, programming, you can offer your services on freelance websites like Upwork or Fiverr. There are other platforms out there as well, but these are some of the more popular ones. And you can find clients from all over the world that are looking for your services on a project by project basis. And sometimes they'll bring you on as a retainer. So that's a good way to actually make more money online. Online tutoring. So if you actually know an expertise, if you know another language, or if you know something that someone else is willing to actually learn, you can find clients through the website like tutor.com, Wyzant, and conduct sessions over video call. This is a great way to make money online while helping others learn a different skill. Affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. I've done it for years, still do it. But affiliate marketing, it involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale you make through a unique affiliate link. You can sign up for affiliate programs on websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, promote products on their website or social media accounts. So there are different types of products and services you can actually use as an affiliate marketer. Selling products online. So finally, you can make money by selling products online for years, drop shipping, having your own e-commerce store. And with these platforms like Shopify and Etsy, you can sell products such as handmade crafts or digital downloads. And this can be a great way to turn your hobbies into a profitable business. I've seen countless people actually do this type of business, and they've gone from 6 figures even up to 7 figures. So in conclusion, these are some of the different ways you can actually make more money online. You don't have to go always the traditional route, get another job, driving Uber, doing some other extra job. And a lot of times these actual side hustles, like I call, you can actually expand those into your main hustle. So if you put enough effort, you get enough business, you can actually do what you need to do to be able to create this as your regular way of making income as opposed to your 9 to 5. If you have any questions, make sure you put it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.